Asattahir International Foundation, led by Barrister Rashidat Muhammad, the legal advisor of the foundation, presented a gift of a learning aid portable typewriter to Maryam Shehu Adarawa, a visually impaired school girl and one of the vulnerable persons under the foundation's care and support.
cewa har yanzu dai muna tare da ke kuma in Allah ya so za mu ci gaba da daukan alkawarin da muka yi da taimaka miki a bangaren karatu ki har ki gama karatu har ki zama lawyer in Allah ya so ran ke za ki karatu da kanki ki mai da ku sauran kuma don Allah ku yi har yanzu muna tare da ku in za mu koma dawa ba mu rasa.
The gift is aimed at facilitating the learning progress of Maryam, a physically challenged person.
Despite the challenges she's having, so we presented the typewriter to her, and I spoke with the class to encourage them and to let them know that the sky is their limit. Being a woman won't stop you from being what you intend to be.
The Asattahir Foundation call on other organizations and well-to-do individuals to assist such kind of people by encouraging them.
I'm calling on other organizations and individuals to please look around and look for those talented individuals that the talent is wasting. Help them, enroll them in this school, because you can see how the composure there in the class, she's not even talking like someone who is having a challenge.
Principal of the school, Aliyu Modisi Power, expressed appreciation for the gesture by the foundation to Maryam Shehu and called on others to emulate.
We were able to see a very beautiful presentation of portable typewriter from the Asattahir Foundation, which they have been doing this. I hope if the others could emulate this kind of gesture.
The beneficiary, Maryam Shehu Adarawa, thanked the foundation for the assistance and assured to make good use of the item given to her.
Sani abin farin ciki ne gare ni kuma kaman ƙara ƙarfafa min gwiwa ne. So ina godiya sosai da kulawa kamar da kinka ce ke zo ne domin ki ƙarfafa min gwiwa. Ni kuma na alƙawari insha Allah kamar da na samu daga shugabannin makaranta da ƴan uwana ɗalibai kamar da kuka zo ma ɗaya daga cikin normal ne take gaya mana not muna kofi. So wannan abin farin ciki ne gare mu, kusa in ce duk abubuwan bukata sun kammala.
Dahiru Muhammad Tambole reporting for RTV News.